Unlock the secrets to Instagram success by connecting Google Analytics and turn your profile into a data-driven marketing powerhouse. First, make sure you have a Google Analytics account set up for your website. If you don't have one, get it set up right away. Before we continue next, you need to grab the tracking ID in Google Analytics. So head to the admin section. Under Property, click Tracking Info, then select Tracking Code. Copy your tracking ID. It usually starts with UA and is followed by numbers. Now head over to your Instagram profile on your phone, tap Edit Profile, and paste this ID. Since you can't directly paste the Google Analytics code into your Instagram profile, the best method is to use a link management tool like Linktree and UTM parameters. Use Google's campaign URL builder to create trackable links for your products. Add your website link and then name your sources and mediums. After that, copy the new long URL. Take those generated links and put them into Linktree or your link management platform of choice. Now paste the UTM link into your link management tool. Finally, back in Google Analytics, check the real-time reports to verify the data is flowing correctly. Then, in the main reports, go to Acquisition and Campaigns to see the data coming from your Instagram. This data will give you clear insights into what content is driving traffic from Instagram to your website. You can then monitor and optimize based on what works best. Now you know how to use Google Analytics for Instagram.